Place of supply of passenger transport service if a person travel from Mumbai to Delhi and back to Mumbai. So from passenger supply of service of passenger Mumbai to Delhi, then from back to Mumbai. He is a what he has the answer registered unregistered person. First, when he is going from Mumbai to Delhi, the place of supply will be Mumbai. When he coming from Mumbai to Delhi, Delhi to Mumbai, the place of supply will be Delhi. Hmm. If a person is registered, the place of supply will be location of the recipient. If a person is not registered, the place of supply from the forward journey from Mumbai to Delhi will be Mumbai, and the place where he embarks return journey. From however, in the return journey, the place of supply will be Delhi, as a return journey has to be treated as a separate journey. Explanation of section 19(1) of IGST Act. But if he is a registered person, the place of supply is registered. He moving from Delhi to Mumbai. If he registered in Karnataka, place of supply is Karnataka. That is a common comedy thing here.